Motor Oil Beard Balm. What is this biker thinking about while he strokes his beard?
I wonder if she'll notice that I bought the ape hangers.
Not if she smells that motor oil beard balm, she won't. Tested by bikers.
Loved by ladies.
Motor Oil Beard Balm. Motor Oil Beard Balm. 13 all-natural, all-organic ingredients to make your beard grow faster and stronger. Available at DiscipleChristianMC.com.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you see all the awesome free content we put out by rotating your device and clicking the red icon to follow our channel. God bless you. Thanks for watching.